Hello crafty friends, welcome to my crochet coaster tutorial. These beautiful coasters are perfect for protecting your tables from hot mugs or adding a stylish touch to your home decor. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crocheter, this project is for you. Let's create something amazing together. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more fun tutorials. Let's get started. For round 1, start with a magic ring or chain 4 and join with a slip stitch to form a circle. Work 16 foundation stitches, 16F, into the ring. Pull the ring tight and join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Great job! You've got the base of your coaster. Tip: keep your tension even to ensure a neat circle. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Practice makes perfect. Next, for round 2, chain 1 to start. Work 2 foundation stitches, 2F, in the same stitch, then 2 chain stitches, 2CH. Repeat this pattern, 2F, 2CH, 8 times around. Join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Wow, you're doing fantastic. Your coaster is starting to take shape. Tip: use a stitch marker to keep track of the beginning of the round. It'll save you some confusion. For round 3, chain 1 to start. Work 2 foundation stitches, 2F, 2 chain stitches, 2CH, and 2 foundation stitches, 2F in the same stitch. Then, repeat 2F, 2CH, 2F in each 2CH space from the previous round, 8 times total. Join with a slip stitch. Amazing work! You're building a lovely pattern. Tip: if your coaster starts curling, gently block it with steam or water later for a flat finish. Next, for round 4, chain 1 to start. Work 3 foundation stitches, 3F, 3 chain stitches, 3CH, and 3 foundation stitches, 3F in the same stitch. Repeat 3F, 3CH, 3F in each 2CH space from the previous round, 8 times total. Join with a slip stitch. You're rocking this. The texture is really coming through. Tip: check your stitch count at the end of the round to ensure you have 8 repeats. Better safe than sorry. For round 5, chain 1 to start. Work 8 foundation stitches, 8F, 1 slip stitch SL, and 1 slip stitch SL in the same stitch. Repeat 8F, SL, SL in each 3CH space from the previous round, 8 times total. Join with a slip stitch and fasten off. Fantastic job. You've just completed a stunning coaster. Tip: weave in your ends neatly with a yarn needle for a professional look. Well done. And there you have it, your very own handmade crochet coaster. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel proud of your creation. If you love this project, please like, subscribe, and share your finished coasters with me in the comments or on social media. I can't wait to see them. Stay tuned for more crochet fun, and happy crafting.